Welcome back. Economic survey for 2012-13 suggests that with resource crunch posing a major challenge, India needs to find new and additional financing avenues as well as technology to ensure sustainable development. Indian economy is projected to grow at 6.1 to 6.7% according to the economic survey tabled in Parliament on Wednesday. Finance Minister P. Chidambaram presented survey in Lok Sabha. Core inflation is likely to remain in the range of 6.2% to 6.6%.
The challenge for the country is to create the conditions for faster growth of good, productive jobs outside of agriculture, especially jobs in organized manufacturing and in services, even while we spend time and effort increasing productivity in agriculture. So there's a lot to be done, and the chapter calls for reforms in various areas, some of which are already underway.
Highlights of Economic Survey 2012-13 are economic growth pegged at 6.1 to 6.7% in 2013-14. March 2013 inflation estimated at 6.2 to 6.6%. Priority will be rein in high inflation. FDI in retail to pave the way for investment in new technology and marketing of agriculture produce. Survey calls for widening of tax base and prioritizing expenditure to bridge fiscal deficit. Calls for curbing gold imports to contain current account deficit. Aadhaar-based direct cash transfer scheme can help plug leakages in subsidies. With subsidies bill increasing, danger of missing fiscal target in financial year 2013. Survey pitches for hike in prices of diesel and LPG to cut subsidy burden. After recovery to a growth of 9.2% in 2009-10 and 2010-11, growth of value added in industrial sector comprising manufacturing, mining, electricity and construction sectors slowed to 3.5% in 2011-12 to 3.1% in current year. The growth of mining sector in 2012-13 is estimated at 0.4%. though it showed an improvement to a negative growth of 0.63% recorded in 2011-12. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Congress has alleged that the ambitious Ladli Lakshmi scheme of the Parrikar-led government is motivating dowry system in the state. Sudip Tamankar claims that this scheme has created rift and confusion among the bride and groom's families over the share of 1 lakh rupees received through the scheme. Tamankar feels that the government should come up with a new scheme on the lines of Karnataka government scheme which encourages birth to a girl child.
काँग्रेस पार्टीन सगळ्यान पयली हो विषय घेतलेलो आनी खंय तरी ही हुंड्याची प्रथा जी पळय पयली आसली ती परत चालू करपाक ही स्कीम इम्प्लिमेंटेशन केलो असो आमी आरोप केल्लो पूण खंय तरी सरकारान म्हाका दिसना की आयज पर्यंत हो विषय जो आसा हो सिरियसली घेतलेलो आसा. आमचो मुख्यमंत्र्याक प्रश्न आहा गोंयच्या की आपुणूच अती हुशार म्हणून हांगासर खंय तरी 2 फॅमिली भितर लग्नाच्या टायमार एक बरें कार्य कोणाच्या घरान घडटा आनी त्या टायमार झगडी लावन दिवप हे काम हो गोंयचो मुख्यमंत्री आयज करता. 2 फॅमिली भितर झगडी लावपाचे. भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे जे सरकार कर्नाटकान आहा तुजी जर इंटेलिजन्सी हुशारी तर हांगासर काबार जाता तकली चलना जाल्यार तेंचे कडसून कितें तरी एडवायस घेवचो. आमी मागता तेचे कडेन की कर्नाटकाची जी पळय स्कीम आसा ती परत तेणी हांगासर इम्प्लिमेंट करची म्हणून तिचेर अभ्यास करचो आनी लार्जर पब्लीक इंट्रस्टान ती हांगासर स्कीम इम्प्लिमेंट करची. काँग्रेस पार्टी डिमांड करता की सरकारान ही स्कीम जाता तितले बेगीन रिव्यू घेवचो हिचेर.
A family of 4 members was rescued from the Mandavi Creek on Wednesday after their car got submerged in the creek. The reason behind the accident is not yet known. Shailen Vinodkar and some of the residents of Chimbel reached the spot and rescued the family with 2 others. Fire Brigade and Panji police reached the spot and towed out the car from water. Family members have been admitted in Goa Medical College.
Eyewitness Shailen Vinodkar at around 3:45 in the evening saw a car travelling from Panji to Madgaon. It suddenly crashed into the creek. Shailen parked his car immediately and jumped in the water. Water level was up due to high tide. The whole car got submerged into the water. Family of 4 members, a father, mother, daughter and son were travelling in the car. They were rescued by breaking glass of the car. Sources say that the family is from Madgaon.
गाडी काढले पयल्या त्या कोण आहे उडी मारलेली उडी मारून ते काढले ते 2 जण आले ते भितर ते गाडी तुमची बॅग ब्लॅक कलर आली गाडी घ्यायला ती पयल्या आणि उडी मारलेली ती.
Fire brigade and Panji police reached at the spot and towed out the car from water. Family was later admitted in Goa Medical College for medical treatment. A reporter Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Omkar Farari and Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Crime branch has ruled out the role of close relatives of school headmistress in Murmagaon minor schoolgirl rape case. Victim's father has demanded a thorough interrogation of 2 suspects for their role in the crime before giving them a clean chit. The Children's Court in Panji on Wednesday reserved its order on victim's father's plea to charge the school headmistress for destruction of evidence.
During the hearing of Murmagaon minor school girl rape case before the Children's Court, Panji, victim's father alleged that 2 close relatives of headmistress had committed the crime. In reply, crime branch said that they have investigated about both of them intensively, but one person was out of India and another one who was in Goa but far from Vasco City area. Victim's father further claimed that the victim girl had identified the photographs of 2 close relatives of headmistress. Hence, both should have been brought before her for identification before giving them a clean chit. In reply of this, crime branch said that they had not found any sign of their involvement in the crime and they don't want to traumatize victim girl by calling her to identify every suspect as many persons have been interrogated. Victim's father has also pleaded to charge school's headmistress and other staff for destruction of evidence, alleging that victim girl was made to take a bath and her clothes and scene of crime were washed to protect the offenders. In reply of this, crime branch said that charge for destruction of evidence is not evoked against them because their motive is not clear and whether they intentionally tried to destroy the evidence. Victim's father has also pleaded to charge school's headmistress for abetment under Central Act as a stranger was found roaming inside school premises, but headmistress did not ensure his exit from premises and later crime was committed. The court has reserved its order for 4th of March. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Tricolor is the pride of each Indian, but it seems like there are few who do not care at all. Some of the miscreants at GMC have placed a beer tin right on the top of the flag post. Nobody knows who has played this mischief, but more seriously, nobody has made an attempt to remove it.
Have a look at this flag post. Tricolor is unfurled here on special occasions, but have a look. Some of the miscreants have insulted the position of the flag by placing a beer tin on the pole. Hundreds move around this pole every day, but nobody made an attempt to inform the police nor to remove the beer tin.
Reporter Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Dinesh Karpe from Panji.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.